Hello and welcome. In this session, we'll focus on mastering some essential tools for organizing and managing the layout of your Excel worksheets. These skills will help you create spreadsheets that are clear, professional, and easy to navigate. First, we'll explore how to adjust the size of your rows and columns. You'll learn how to quickly change column widths and row heights to fit your data perfectly. Whether you're working with long text entries or numbers, knowing how to resize efficiently will make your spreadsheets look polished and professional. Next, we'll cover how to insert and delete rows and columns. Need to add space for new data or remove unused sections? We'll show you the best ways to manage these changes without disrupting the structure of your worksheet. You'll also discover how to move data within your spreadsheet. From rearranging columns to reorganizing rows, you'll see how Excel makes it easy to keep your information logically structured and easy to read. And don't worry, this session includes tips for maintaining accuracy. You'll understand how Excel handles formulas when rows or columns are added or removed, ensuring your calculations stay valid. By the end of this session, you'll feel confident customizing and organizing your spreadsheets to suit any task. Let's get started and bring your Excel layouts to the next level.